Are you looking for the home remedies to get rid of a cough? If yes, then you are at the right place. Before starting the video properly, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Many people prefer natural remedies to treat their coughs. Here are some of the most effective home remedies for getting rid of a cough. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe the sore throat and help to relieve from cough. You can add a teaspoon of honey to a cup of hot tea or simply take it straight from the spoon. Lemon is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. This makes lemon an excellent remedy for cough. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water and add a teaspoon of honey to the mixture. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day to help relieve your cough. Ginger is known for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Take a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, boil it in water for a few minutes, and then strain the mixture. Add honey and lemon to the taste, and drink the ginger tea to relieve in cough. Bromelain is a natural enzyme found in pineapple and is often used as a home remedy for coughing. It has anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties, which mean it can help to reduce inflammation and break down mucus in the respiratory tract. Bromelain supplement or consuming pineapple can help to relieve cough symptoms. It can ease sinusitis and allergy-related sinus problems, which can worsen coughing and mucus production. Inhaling steam can help to soothe the sore throat and loosen mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up. Fill a large bowl with hot water and add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil. Cover your head with a towel and breathe in the steam for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Repeat this several times a day for best results. Salt water is a natural disinfectant that can help to soothe the sore throat and reduce inflammation. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle with it several times a day to help relieve your cough. Using a humidifier in your home can help to add moisture to the air, which can soothe the sore throat and reduce mucus in the lungs. This can make it easier to cough up and can also help to relieve dry cough. Remember that these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice, and if your cough persists for more than a few days, you should visit to a doctor.